Hello and welcome to Karina's channel, your go-to place for all things natural and nutritious. In today's episode, we embark on a tropical adventure, tracing the journey of a popular superfood, coconut oil from tree to table. We'll uncover the secrets behind its production, revealing how the humble coconut transforms into a jar of golden goodness. So fasten your seatbelts for an exciting and informative ride. Without further ado, let's dive into the world of coconut oil. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to help us grow the channel. Have you ever wondered how your favorite jar of coconut oil is made? Today we delve into the fascinating world of coconut oil production, a product that's skyrocketing in popularity within the health and wellness sector. Stay tuned as we unravel the process of coconut oil production. The journey of coconut oil starts with the humble coconut fruit. It begins its life on a tall, slender tree, swaying gently in the tropical breeze. These trees thrive in hot and humid climates, predominantly along the coastal areas where the soil is sandy and well-drained. Regions such as Southeast Asia, the Pacific Islands, and parts of Africa are prime locations for coconut cultivation. The trees bask in the sun and soak up the salty sea air, both of which contribute to the unique taste and texture of the coconuts they produce. These tropical plants require a lot of sunlight and regular rainfall to grow. The coconuts themselves take about a year to fully mature, transforming from vibrant flowers to hard-shelled fruits. Once the coconuts are ripe and ready, they're harvested and prepared for the next step in the process. But that's a story for our next scene. So, stay tuned as we delve deeper into the fascinating world of coconut oil production. Now that we have our coconuts, it's time to extract the oil. This process begins with the de-husking of the coconut. This involves removing the fibrous outer layer, revealing a hard shell that houses the precious coconut meat and water. This tough shell is then cracked open using a machete or a large knife, a task that requires a good deal of skill and precision. Once the shell is cracked open, we come face to face with the coconut meat, a white, fleshy substance. This meat is then carefully separated from the shell and grated into small pieces. Grating the coconut meat increases its surface area, making the extraction of oil easier and more efficient. The grated coconut meat is then dried under the sun or in an oven to create what is known as copra. This drying process is crucial as it reduces the water content in the coconut meat, which is necessary for the extraction of oil. The dried copra is then ready to be pressed. The pressing of copra is usually done using the cold pressing method. In this method, the copra is placed in a hydraulic press, which applies pressure to the copra, forcing the oil out. This process is done at a controlled temperature, typically below 50 degrees Celsius. The temperature control is essential, as higher temperatures can degrade the oil and reduce its nutritional value. The oil is then collected and filtered to remove any remaining solid particles. This filtration process ensures that the oil is pure and clean. It's fascinating to think that this humble tropical fruit undergoes such a transformation to become the versatile and beneficial oil that we use in our kitchens and beauty routines. The result is unrefined, raw coconut oil, but the process doesn't stop here. We'll delve into the refining process in the next scene. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the journey of coconut oil from the tree to your pantry. From raw oil, we move on to creating the refined version of coconut oil. Imagine the raw coconut oil as a diamond in the rough, brimming with potential, but not yet ready for the spotlight. The refining process, just like a jeweler chisels and polishes a diamond, helps to bring out the best in this versatile oil. The first step is bleaching, but not with the harsh chemicals you might be thinking of. Instead, we use natural bleaching clays that help to remove impurities and any particles left from the extraction process. This step is crucial in achieving that clear, appealing look that we associate with coconut oil. Next, we move to deodorization. This is where any unwanted smells are removed. The oil is steamed at high temperatures, which helps to remove any residual coconut scent. This gives us a neutral-smelling oil, which is preferred in many culinary and cosmetic applications. Now, you might be wondering what's the difference between refined and unrefined coconut oil. Essentially, unrefined oil is closer to its natural state with a robust coconut flavor and scent. It's less processed, but also has a shorter shelf life. On the other hand, refined coconut oil is more processed, has a neutral taste and smell, and a longer shelf life. And that's how the coconut oil you find on the shelves of your local supermarket is made. So why is coconut oil so popular in the health and wellness world? Well, let's delve into the nutritional nitty-gritty of this tropical superstar. Most notably, coconut oil is packed with medium-chain triglycerides, or MCTs for short. These fats are metabolized more quickly than their long-chain cousins, providing a rapid energy source for your body and brain. But that's not all. Coconut oil is also rich in lauric acid, a type of MCT that has been linked to a host of health benefits. Some research suggests it may help to boost the immune system, while others point to potential antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. And let's not forget its versatility. Coconut oil adds a subtle sweet flavor to dishes and can withstand high cooking temperatures, making it a favorite for sautéing and baking. It's also a natural plant-based alternative for those following a vegan or dairy-free diet, but the power of coconut oil extends beyond the kitchen. It's a popular choice for natural skincare too. With its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties, coconut oil can help to soothe and hydrate the skin, making it a key ingredient in many homemade beauty treatments. With its multitude of uses and health benefits, it's no wonder that coconut oil has become a household staple. All right, coconut lovers, that's it for today's episode of Karina's Coconut Chronicles. We've delved deep into the world of coconut oil, journeying from the lush green groves of palm trees to your kitchen table. It's been an enlightening ride, showcasing the intricate dance of nature and technology that transforms a humble coconut into a golden jar of oil. So why not give coconut oil a try? Incorporate it into your diet for a healthy boost of fatty acids, or use it in your skincare routine for a natural glow. Trust me, the benefits are as real as the coconuts themselves. And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join us on this enriching journey as we continue to unravel the secrets of nature's bounty. There's so much more to learn and explore. So until next time, remember to stay natural, stay nutritious, and keep the coconut love alive.